Hi everyone, this is Lucy with WTI. Is this not the cutest candle? I love how it smells, almost like a jasmine flower scent. Well, besides being pretty, it smells really good. Right now I have it sitting in my bathroom as it goes really well with our bathroom decor. As you can see, I have like a white and black theme going on here and it fits perfectly. You can also dress it up by putting it in your dining room table and having a nice dinner with hubby, or you could dress it down and have a simple breakfast. As you can see, I have a fascination with bubbles. I personally like to use this candle when I'm working. It's very therapeutic to me. This candle will not only smell wonderful, but it looks beautiful, and that's my point of view.